It's surprising how many teachers miss the hiring season and have to resign themselves to waiting a full year to get back into the classroom. In this video, I'm going to show you a general overview of the hiring seasons for independent, charter, and district schools. Independent schools include all types of private schools, like religious schools, day schools, boarding schools, both nonprofit and for-profit. The hiring season for independent schools generally starts around December, sometimes earlier. These schools usually interview candidates from February to March. Most hiring takes place around April and May. Charter schools are public schools established by teachers, parents, or community groups and run by a CMO or a charter management organization network. Charter schools commonly start their hiring season in March and interview potential candidates from April all the way through July. Because of this, most hiring is done in August, right before the school year starts. Last but not least, district schools. These are public schools that belong to a small or large district and are overseen by a school board. District schools usually start their hiring season later in the year, around April. And given the time that they have to hire, district schools actually start interviewing candidates in April and finish their hiring interview peak around July. Like charter schools, hiring is mostly done in August, right before the school year starts. This is a hiring calendar we built and selected based on our conversations with over 1,600 pre-K-12 schools across the country. Circles mark where the hiring season starts. Triangles mark interview activity peaks, and squares mark when hiring is mostly done. Now, this calendar may seem straightforward, and although most hiring happens around this schedule, it does not mean that you won't be able to find a job at a school you love outside the hiring window. If you know you want to find a different school to work at, don't wait until the next hiring season to start researching schools that may be a good fit for you. Don't even wait to apply. Plus, there is less competition, and you can stand out more if you're looking outside the hiring window. To research schools, you can use Selected. Selected helps teachers find jobs at schools they love based on common criteria. Think about it as a dating app between schools and teachers. To find a school on Selected, you 1. Create a profile 100% free. 2. Let us know what type of school you're looking for. And 3. See the schools that match your profile. Get started at getselected.com/signup. That is it for this video. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Linked in the description below are more resources on the teacher job search. See you next time.